like your device holds secret capabilities just out of your reach? Do you aspire to unlock the full potential of your gadgets? Then, you've stumbled upon the right place. Today's discussion revolves around a comprehensive technology tutorial that guides users on how to become proficient in using their devices. This detailed tutorial, titled Mastering Your Device, covers a wide array of topics. It starts with the basics, setting up your device. Getting the hang of the initial setup lays the foundation for a smooth ride through the world of technology. After setup, it delves into navigation, introducing you to the nooks and crannies of your device's interface. But knowing how to navigate your device is just the beginning. The tutorial then unlocks the next level, customization. This is where you get to add a personal touch to your device. Whether it's changing themes, adjusting settings, or organizing apps, customization makes your device truly yours. But what happens when things go wrong? That's where troubleshooting comes into play. The tutorial wraps up with practical tips on how to diagnose and fix common issues. Now let's shift the focus to the evolving landscape of work. The hybrid or tribrid model is the new norm, with employees working from various locations. To thrive in this environment, professionals must master a set of new skills. These include proficiency in video communication, mastering different meeting platforms, and deep listening. All these skills are closely tied to the effective use of technology, further underlining the importance of mastering your device. The world of consumer electronics continues to evolve, with companies introducing innovative products and technologies at events such as the Consumer Electronics Show. From fully autonomous tractors to high-end ultra-slim portables, the future of technology is here. And to fully benefit from these advancements, understanding and mastering your device is crucial. In summary, mastering your device is a comprehensive tutorial that guides users from the initial setup to advanced customization and troubleshooting. It's an essential guide in today's digital world, where proficiency in technology can make a significant difference, whether it's in your professional life or simply getting the most out of your devices. So, take the plunge and embark on the journey of mastering your device. Technology is a tool. Let it serve you, not the other way around.